SimpliSafe versus Ring versus ADT, the 2026 Home Security Showdown. New for 2026, smarter AI detection, revamped plans, and privacy updates. SimpliSafe, affordable DIY kits, flexible monitoring, now with AI alerts. Ring, low-cost cameras, cloud subscriptions, great community features, privacy trade-offs. ADT, professional monitoring, premium hardware, higher price, but full-service integration. Now a side-by-side look at specs, pricing, and real use cases. Price quick take. SimpliSafe lowest equipment cost, Ring cheapest cameras, ADT most expensive. Features: AI person detection, smart home hubs, battery life, and monitoring options. Best fit. Renters love SimpliSafe, DIY camera fans choose Ring, homeowners want ADT. Fast pros and cons. SimpliSafe value. Ring features with privacy trade-offs, ADT reliability at higher cost. Our picks: budget, SimpliSafe, cameras, Ring, professional protection, ADT. Check details to decide. Want the full breakdown? Click the link below to compare plans and save.